Sophia Smith, Atlanta real estate agent and expert. If you're a past client or existing homeowner, this video is for you. As you know, a well-maintained home is a valuable home. In this video, I will cover 7 summer maintenance tips. If you're a home seller or prospective home buyer, you might want to subscribe to my channel as I will continue to give monthly, if not weekly, home buying, selling, and Atlanta real estate tips. Tip number 1. So every season change, you should always change your air filters and consider having an expert come out and evaluate your AC, if not get it maintained, because the last thing you would want to do in the summer months, especially if you're in the Atlanta market, is have your AC go out in the summer. Unfortunately, since so few people take this step at the beginning of summer, in the hottest months, you will expect a wait if your AC goes out because all of the contractors are busy servicing everyone who didn't take this step. Tip number 2, check your smoke detectors, check the battery. If you're hearing the chirp and you're able to ignore it, you might want to address that and replace the battery. So check your smoke detectors, your carbon monoxide detectors, because fires are a thing in the summer. And if your smoke detector and your carbon monoxide detector is over 10 years old, it is definitely time to replace it. You want to make sure that both of those are functioning properly to prevent you from having a home fire. Tip number 3, reverse the circulation of your ceiling fans. Reversing the circulation means changing the direction on your ceiling fans. Now, older ceiling fans do not have this capability, but newer ceiling fans do. And if you're not familiar with what that means, what that is, and how to do it, I will link a tutorial video that I found on YouTube that can help explain and answer a lot of questions. Reversing the ceiling fans will help increase the cooling circulation, and it can also reduce the energy that's used. Of course, you'd want to take a minute and inspect your ceiling fans and dust them off. Make sure they're not circulating dead skin and dust. I know, it's gross. Tip number 4 is for single-family homeowners. During the warm weather, it is a great time to clean out your downspouts and your gutter. It is recommended to have your gutters cleaned once or twice a year, depending on how many trees are surrounding your home. So tip number 5, consider cleaning or replacing the faucet. So in order to do that, you would unscrew the end of the faucet with pliers, remove the trap, and flush out anything that's in there, debris, and replace. Tip number 6, to help prevent little critters from getting into your home, you might want to check your windows and doors to see if any of them need to be caulked, because as you know, ants, mosquitoes, and all kinds of little critters come out during the summertime. Tip number 7, clean your garbage disposal, especially if you're an avid user of your garbage disposal. And in the descriptions, I will link a video on how to do that. I'll go ahead and throw in an 8th tip because I feel this is very, very important. Consider having a roofing expert come out and check your roof. Maintaining your roof can ensure its longevity. It's always beneficial to keep track of all of your maintenance and keep invoices. Once inspection items come up, and you might be able to call those contractors and enforce certain warranties. For a full checklist of summer maintenance items, check the descriptions below. As always, I am here to be your real estate advocate and to assist you with anything that you need real estate related. Do not hesitate to reach out to me. Thanks for watching.